Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. See the bigger picture event. Surprise! We'll have that coming right up. Now before we get into the video, I have a warning. This video contains speculation. Proceed at your own risk. That being said, let's jump into the video. Now what I'm going to be stating here first, these are things that we are all fairly certain of. So let's jump into this. The first thing is the See the Bigger Picture event is scheduled for August 23rd, 2018 at 10 a.m. in New York City. The second thing that we are certain of, DJI has put out a trailer for the See the Bigger Picture event. We also are fairly certain there are two models, the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic 2 Pro, along with some basic specifications and the differences between the two models. We are also fairly certain there is a high probability that there is a Mavic 2 Enterprise. Okay, so what don't we know? What will the surprises be? Now, let's read DJI's global Instagram here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the screen. This has been an exciting year for DJI, but just wait for what's to come. On August 23rd, we'll have our biggest announcement of the year. Tune in at live.dji.com, # see the bigger picture. Okay, that was on Instagram. It's my educated guess that DJI is going to surprise us with another drone. Okay, Bill, why is DJI going to surprise us with another drone? I have three reasons that I would like to give you. Let's go ahead and read that statement again. I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the screen again from the Instagram. On August 23rd, we'll have our biggest announcement of the year. Okay, now everybody, including myself, was under the impression that DJI would be coming out with a Phantom 5 in the fourth quarter. So what that means is, reading that statement, would DJI not say that the Phantom 5 is a big announcement? I would think that they would say that. So they wouldn't come out and say that this is the biggest announcement of the year, or yeah, they wouldn't come out and say we'll have our biggest announcement of the year and then release the Phantom 5 at the end of the year and say, you know, what do we say that that is? So that's reason number one. Reason number two is we all know the postponement. The original date for the See the Bigger Picture event was scheduled on July 18th. Now it's August 23rd that we're all aware of. And DJI came out with a statement basically saying it was due to a production issue. But the production issue, I think, and it's my belief and my educated guess, it was not due to the Mavic 2 Zoom or the Mavic 2 Pro or the Mavic 2 Enterprise, but this other drone that DJI was coming out with. This is something that DJI hasn't done before, so it was a lot of logistics to go through, and they needed the extra time to do that. And the last reason is, we all remember, and I'm going to go ahead and throw some slides up here, Osita Lev had posted some pictures of a Phantom 4 mock-up with an interchangeable lens system, and Drone DJ put them out as well. Well, DJI came out and said that these were for an enterprise customer, that this was a strictly one-done deal. Now, you remember I did a video on this, and what I said was, we looked at it and it looked very professionally done. It was machine lathe, it was smooth, it was professional. This was not a Photoshop job. This was the real deal. So what does all this mean, Bill? It's my educated guess and my belief that DJI is going to come out with the big surprise is going to be, it's going to be another drone besides the Mavic 2 Zoom, the Mavic 2 Pro, and the Mavic 2 Enterprise. And my educated guess is the Phantom 5. Question of the day. Do you think DJI will surprise us with a drone besides the Mavic 2 Zoom, the Mavic 2 Pro, and the Mavic 2 Enterprise? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!